Today's video dives into the world of interior design styles and the artistry of decorating a space to create an environment that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. From modern to traditional, Scandinavian to bohemian, the creative possibilities are endless. Let's begin to explore some of these captivating styles. Modern. Modern style features clean lines, neutral colors, and minimalistic decor. Think sleek furniture, open spaces, and a focus on functionality. Materials like glass, steel, and wood are common. Contemporary. Contemporary style embraces minimalistic elements, highlighting grays, beiges, and shades of white. Contemporary style, like modern style, is sleek, thoughtful, and emphasizes functionality and simplicity. It is an ever-evolving style that also incorporates current trends. Traditional. Traditional style features classic furniture, rich colors, and elegant details. This style is often combined with ornate woodwork, luxurious fabrics, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. Think of a timeless, sophisticated look. Transitional. Transitional style blends traditional and contemporary design elements, creating a sophisticated and timeless look. It's about striking the perfect balance between classic and modern features. Think classic furniture and detailed woodwork mixed with some sleek furniture and luxurious fabrics, resulting in interiors that feel harmonious. Scandinavian. Scandinavian style is simple, functional, and cozy, with a focus on natural elements. Light colors, natural wood, and minimal clutter define this style. It's all about creating a serene and inviting space. Bohemian. Bohemian is eclectic, vibrant, and full of personality. This style embraces bold colors, mixed patterns, and a variety of textures. It's perfect for those who love a free-spirited and artistic vibe. Modern farmhouse. Modern farmhouse style features rustic charm with a modern twist. Think reclaimed wood, vintage accessories, and cozy textiles. This style combines the comfort of country living with contemporary elements. Industrial. Industrial style often has a raw, unfinished look with metal and wood accents. Exposed brick, concrete floors, and metal fixtures are key features. It's a style that celebrates the beauty of raw materials. Mid-century modern. Mid-century modern style is all about retro vibes with sleek furniture and bold colors. This style features clean lines, organic shapes, and a mix of traditional and non-traditional materials. Minimalist. Minimalist style takes a less is more approach to design, focusing on simplicity and functionality. This style uses a neutral color palette, clean lines, and minimal decor to create a calm and uncluttered space. Maximalist. Unlike minimalist style, maximalist style is bold, eclectic, and full of life. This style embraces a more is more philosophy with vibrant colors, diverse patterns, and an abundance of decor items. These are just a few interior design styles, and there are many other styles and variations. The beauty of interior design is that you can mix and match styles to create a space that's uniquely yours. Love the simplicity of Scandinavian design, but also drawn to the boldness of Bohemian? Combine them. Your home should be a reflection of you. And don't forget about your outdoor spaces. Curb appeal and outdoor living spaces are just as important as your interior. From modern architecture to cozy outdoor patios, your exterior design sets the tone for your home. Consider adding elements like water features, tall hedges, and cedar fences for style and relaxation. Home decor is where you can really let your personality shine. Whether it's a statement piece of art, a cozy throw blanket, or a unique light fixture, these elements bring your space to life. Remember, it's the personal touches that make a house a home. What's your style? Let us know in the comments. Ready to transform your space? Subscribe to our channel for more decorating tips and inspiration. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.